Mom, did you go to the Dollar Tree again?
Yeah, I just went to pick up a couple things.
Okay.
It got a little out of hand.
Well, hi guys.
I really just went in for a couple items. Nevertheless, we are here now with a huge haul once again. You guys seem to be really enjoying my hauls, and I thank you so much for it. I really appreciate you all watching and taking the time to like my video and comment below. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, farmhouse decor, farmhouse DIYs, regular home decor, and epic kids Halloween costumes, then make sure to subscribe. Most of you know how to subscribe, but for the people that don't know, you can hit the blue box at the bottom right hand side of this video, hover over it, and there should be a button to subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I gave it a test run for 4 weeks to make sure I could do it, and I delivered every week. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, keep a lookout for my videos. I sometimes get excited and post in between also. So hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss a thing. Now I have a lot of items to go through, so let's jump right into it. Okay, first is a new find, and I'm really excited about this because I was given one for Christmas, not this exact brand. These are Body Wash and Spa sponges, but they have like soap in them. So this one is grapefruit and peppermint. This is a deep clean exfoliating sponge. So this is the one I got for Christmas. It doesn't last forever. Obviously the soap gets used up, but I loved it. And the sponge held up, so then I had a sponge. Anyway, love this. I hope I love these. Hopefully they smell good. I will keep you updated. Oh, I wanted to update you guys about the mermaid clippers. I told you I'd let you know how they worked. They were fantastic. I used the big ones and they were strong. They were great. I really love them. And also a quick tip, I saw them in a Dollar Tree, like in the line. They could be by the beauty stuff. They could be anywhere. So look good. We all know how the Dollar Tree hides things. Alright, so this isn't a big deal, but when they carry these, they usually run out. So I got more little washcloths for Brayden. Love these. If you were going to a baby shower, you could probably put together a little gift basket there. I got my favorite scent in car air fresheners, which is Fresh Linen. Alright, let's get excited. I got 2 boxes of these because they are good. Very, very good. They're not exactly like the real Nilla wafers, but they're good. I picked a couple more of these little flossy things up. Little toothbrushy things. I don't know. When they came out, I felt like they were like 70 cents. I don't know. I like having them around. Alright, what do I have? Okay, you guys, I hauled these on my last video, but these are going to be for Brayden's Halloween costume. If you want to see what type of costume I'm talking about, go back to like the 3rd video I've ever posted, and there's a cardboard box car. I eventually, the following year, made him a train, and I break these reading lights off and use it as like a headlight, tail light, whatever. It just takes it to the next level. So I'm stocking up on these because right when you need them, you know they'll be sold out. Okay, so this is new. I have to tell you, I don't love it. Maybe I'm just a little too picky. I feel like maybe if we painted the like trim gold or something, but it's cool. I mean, for $1, this is really pretty cool. Oh, back to hygiene for a second. I have never had an instant whitening pen, so we're gonna try out this one. I know my teeth look very white on camera. Don't be fooled, because they're not. On the sides, they're a little darker, so hopefully this will help them match. What you doing, Bray?
Looking at the TV thingy.
Also, you guys, I'm doing a giveaway, and I mentioned it in my last video. I'm just trying to get organized to make sure I don't mess it up. I am going to be giving away a teeth whitening kit and a $20 gift card in my giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed, and then I'm working on the details after that. I was talking about maybe tagging a friend that would like my videos, but stay tuned for another video, and I will give you all the deets. It's coming, you guys, I promise. Alright, love you. Now to my favorite items of all, craft supplies, and I found a couple new ones. Let me get to the boring stuff. Floral wire. I just felt like I should have this around. I finally picked up, well, they weren't sold out, so I was able to pick them up, some Dollar Tree succulents, and you guys, I am like a succulent snob. I have real ones, I have fake ones, and these are really good quality, especially this one. It looks exactly like the ones I bought at Target for like $3 and change. These are good. Get them if you can. Okay, so I got one of these. Again, felt like I should have it around. I'm doing lots of DIYs on my channel, but this is the new thing. I have not seen this yet. I can't believe it. It is a little globe thing for an air plant or a succulent. You guys, I don't know why they put the hole in here. It's plastic, but I'm really pumped about this because I just got a shipment of succulents, and you guys keep a lookout for that video. I ordered succulents off eBay, cuttings. You get a lot for your money. I got like over 20 varieties, and keep an eye out, but maybe I can plant some of them in here. So I'm really, really pumped about this. With some cool rope, like thick rope, I think this would be awesome. Dun 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 dun. I was so torn. I didn't know if I should get the gold, the white, but finally my Dollar Tree had them. So that's what I got. Alright, you guys, I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff here. These have been out for a couple weeks. I walked by them a couple times, but I figure I'm going to take these to work and have cute little Post-its, these little flower Post-its. It says they're sticky on the back. Oh, they also have a Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. 3 Birds Design. That's cute. Oh, actually, I bought these a while back, these flag clips. They're just really cute paper clips. They say big dreams today and all this cute stuff. I got these little craft buttons because I have a cute little idea to do with these. You guys, I didn't pick these up, and on one of my Come Shop With Me's I talked bad about them, but I stretched them out, and I think they're going to fit perfectly. I just didn't want them to come too high on my foot, and then it sticks out and you can see it. So I got some of those. I don't know how I got sucked into this stuff. I usually don't buy this stuff, but it's so cute. So, so cute. So hopefully I'll find something cute to do with that. And then I picked up one more because this was like home, farmhousey stuff. I don't scrapbook, but maybe I can make a card with them or something. I don't know. Okay, so this is so cool. Dollar Tree is carrying a bunch of little stencils. They have one that says family and all different stuff. So this is the one I chose. I'm really excited to do something with this. And I got 2 little books. I have so many books, like little note writing books, but I probably am throwing one of them in the giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification so you don't miss the giveaway. My channel is really pretty small, so the odds of winning are very high. Alright, we're starting to get down to the nitty gritty, but it's still cool stuff. Okay, Brillo pads. Nice sanding block. Never seen that there before. Dawn, the essentials. And I'm very excited about this. I picked up these little trash bags for the bathroom, so I don't have to like store a bunch of shopping bags. I've finally picked up the LED lights. I've walked by them so many times. I will definitely keep you updated on these to see if these really work. I should have the batteries and everything. And light bulbs. I got this little S-hook for my hanging flower basket that Brayden got me for Mother's Day. It's growing like a weed. It's so awesome. It's a variegated geranium. I've never had one of those before. Half sweet tea, half unsweet tea with a lemon. Chick-fil-A is the bomb diggity, isn't it, you guys? Okay, if you have little ones, well, actually, hold that thought. So, as you can imagine, with this big mop on my head, I clog a lot of drains. So, we're going to give this thing a whirl. I don't know. I don't know. You know, hair when it's not attached is like so disgusting. Like, disgusting. We're going to give this thing a try. What if it like pulls something out like totally gnarly? Okay. Let me see. I don't want to lie to you. Okay, 3 more things before I get to some other cool stuff. Okay. Doing a DIY with these. I have silver but not the gold. Now I have both. And I also have both kinds of Carmex. However, they do have a new one that they charge like a lot of money for at Walgreens. But anyway, I loaded up on these because I love them both. Alright, this is for the kiddos. I just felt like we needed this. What I'd really like is like an old, like a nice glass one that's like country farmhousey and just like old. I just want it to seem old. But we'll just play around with this one for a while. This is new. I have not seen it. It says, say it, don't spray it. So it's for ages 6 and up. It has 12 game cards, but you put the thing in your mouth, like that game that was very popular this past year, and you read what's on the cards. So I guess it's kind of like a knockoff to that game. So this is going to be really interesting for $1. What if it's like totally awesome and it was only $1? Like you could put these in goodie bags for kids when your child has a party. I think this is really, really cool. I'll keep you updated on how this worked out. So I like to keep Brayden constructive and excited. He loves airplanes. So we're going to see. I think this thing will work good. This has been around a bit, but I'm excited for this. Now these are the new items. These neon cars, I have not seen them there before. I picked up 2. And this cool little truck, it's a monster truck. I don't think it does anything special. Just these do. These are so cool. And last but not least, I'll give you a little tip and show you what I've been doing with these. Oh, I lied again. I have 2 more things, I think. So this one's golf. They have like a couple little games like this. It's the only like wood in the Dollar Tree. But I could make little things with these pieces of wood. So I wanted to make sure to have more around, so I picked up another one of these. Then we have these bottles. I picked up 3 of these. I was going back and forth with it for like a few weeks because I have a DIY in mind. And finally I'm like, you know what? I need to make this happen. So Dollar Tree is crazy. I did go to 2 Dollar Trees. I just drove by one the following day after I'd just been to one the day before. I was like, let me just stop in. And it's like totally different stuff. It's so awesome. Actually, I keep lying. I have one more thing. On my last haul, I said I've never bought clothes at Dollar Tree. Well, that's only because they never have any. But I've lucked out twice in a row. Brayden really needs t-shirts. So I have a gray and a black solid, which is great because they go with anything. That's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up so I know to keep doing them. If you guys want me to keep spending all my extra change at the Dollar Tree, then I'll do it for you. If that's what you want, I'll do it. Plus, every girl needs an excuse to shop. All kidding aside, you guys, I'm really enjoying YouTube. I'm loving the women I'm meeting through YouTube. I really appreciate all your support. And yeah, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Let's do this. I'm pumped every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes in between, because if I go to the Dollar Tree on a Saturday and find something brand new, I'm gonna have to come home right away and show it to you guys so you all know what to look out for. And the thing I love about Dollar Tree hauls is everyone picks up totally different things, and it's just cool to see what everyone likes to get from there. So enough of me rambling. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will see you on the next one, guys, and keep an eye out for that giveaway video and the succulent video. Bye, guys.